To make pickled ginger, first peel 12 ounces, 340 grams, of fresh ginger with the edge of a spoon. Then, slice the ginger into 1/8 of an inch, 3 mm thick strips with a knife. If you want your pickled ginger to have a bright pink color, you'll need to use a radish. Chop off the tip and tail of the radish. Then, cut the radish into 1/8 of an inch, 3 mm thick slices. Set the ginger and radish inside a glass bowl and add 1½ tablespoons, 27 grams of kosher salt. Let the bowl sit for 30 minutes to tenderize the ginger and sweeten the flavor. Now, pour half a cup, 118 milliliters, of rice vinegar into a saucepan. Add 1 cup, 235 milliliters of water and 1½ tablespoons, 21 grams of granulated sugar to the saucepan and mix the ingredients together. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat while stirring it every couple of minutes. Stuff your ginger and radish slices into a small glass jar. Put a funnel over the jar and pour the hot vinegar and sugar into it until there's 1/2 inch, 1 centimeter of space remaining at the top of the jar. Tap the sides of the jar a few times to remove any air bubbles and put the lid on. Finally, set your pickled ginger inside of the refrigerator and wait at least 48 hours for the ginger to cure before using it. You can store your pickled ginger in the refrigerator for up to 2 months.